Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect KuCoin Exchange to external trading tools. Many users want to automate their trading or manage their portfolios using third-party applications. The key to achieving this is through KuCoin's Application Programming Interface, or API. This secure method allows external platforms to interact with your KuCoin account, executing trades and accessing data based on your permissions. To begin, log into your KuCoin account and find the API Management section, usually under your profile settings. Here, you will create a new API key. Be sure to give it a descriptive name and set a strong, unique API passphrase. You will receive an API key and an API secret. It is crucial to record these three pieces of information, the API key, API secret, and passphrase, immediately and securely, as the secret will only be shown once. Now, switch to your external trading bot or platform. Locate its API configuration section. You will need to input the KuCoin API key, API secret, and passphrase you just generated into the corresponding fields. Pay close attention to setting the correct permissions. For instance, you might grant read-only access for portfolio tracking or trading access for automated strategies. Always grant the minimum necessary permissions to enhance security. After entering your credentials, verify the connection within your external platform. Most platforms offer a test function to confirm successful integration. It is vital to regularly monitor your bot's performance and your KuCoin account for any unusual activity. Periodically review and update your API key permissions, and consider rotating your keys every few months. This diligent approach helps maintain a secure and efficient automated trading setup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.